Rise and shine, guys! Welcome back to my channel, and this is my first ever sit down video, so I'm a little bit excited about it, and I have decided to do a little unboxing. Yeah, and so I already opened this yesterday just to check if all my orders are here, but I'm going to open it today fully with you guys. So I ordered from Sephora last March 1, 2020, and I received it the day after. So March 2, I already received it, and here we go. So this is the box from Sephora. Yes. So this is just a mini Sephora haul, just because I ordered 6 products, 5 among which are minis. So when you open the box, it's like this. So it's just thick paper, and these are my orders. Yeah. So the first one that I ordered is something that is not mini. This is my Zoeva face brush, and I ordered this one just because I noticed I didn't have powder brush. So it looks like this. It's written here, Color Love Makeup. Okay. It's very soft, and I'm going to use it later because I'm planning to do a little try on for you guys, just for you to have an idea if the products I bought are a good buy or not. And the reason why I bought this brush is because I bought the first mini, which is the Fenty Pro Filter Setting Powder, and I got this in the shade Butter. It looks so cute. It comes with a small sponge, which it's written here Fenty Beauty. It's written FB for Fenty Beauty, and it has still the plastic inside. And the next one is a mini Tarte Shape Tape. So a lot of girls have been raving about this, and I just wanted to try if the hype is really real. So I got it in the shade Medium Sand. The next one, and my Natasha Denona Mini Star Palette. I am a little bit curious about this because when I was browsing the Sephora website, I saw some of their full palettes are priced like 500 dirhams, and it's a lot. It's a lot for a palette. So I will not buy that one, of course. It's beautiful colors. Alright guys, so I'm down with my last 2 products, and I'm sorry but I have to refilm again because I noticed something was in my nose. So it's not good at all. So I'm sorry about that. So I already finished my makeup look, and I'm just going to refilm again my last 2 products. So the next product that I'm going to show you guys is the Fenty Bomb Baby Mini Lip and Face Set, which basically contains my highlighter and my lip gloss. So it comes with the highlighter with the shade Hustla Baby. So it looks like this. It's a little bit brownish highlighter, brownish gold highlighter, but it works for me. It works for my skin tone, although I was hoping they have a mini set with a little bit lighter shade of the highlighter. And this one is the Fenty Glow Lip Balm, okay, which I have on right now. And then last but not least is the Urban Decay Setting Spray. The main reason I bought this, I saw it from one of my college batchmates. Her name is Jilly, and she's doing YouTube now also. You can also do follow her and subscribe to her. Her YouTube page is GLAM PINAY. and she's doing makeup videos. So if you are interested, please do watch her and subscribe to her. Shout out to you, Jilly. Okay guys, so this is the eyeshadow and it looks good. It's very pigmented. And now I will use the Shape Tape in medium size. I will just blend it with my wet sponge. Okay, parang wala lang siya. Parang nakulangan ako. Wait. Yeah, that's good. Okay. And then I will set it with my new Fenty. And I'll use my new Zoeva brush. And then we will use the highlighter with my other setting brush. Yeah. And then after that, we will use the lip gloss. Finally, we are going to top it off with this Urban Decay All-Nighter. It says here, after applying makeup, shake bottle well. Hold 8 to 10 inches away and mist face 2 to 4 times in an X and T formation. May pa X and T, okay. Ayan. Okay. So, basang-basa na yung face ko. So, let's just wait for it to dry out and then we'll see. By the way, guys, if you are enjoying, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell for future notifications.